How to fix the error code 127 in Adobe Premiere Pro during installation. So if you're also facing the problem where the setup stops and shows the error 127, then this error happens when Premiere Pro can't read the installation files. Sometimes the package is broken, or your system blocks the installer, or leftover Adobe files confuse the setup. So first, you need to check if the installer folder has any missing files. If anything is incomplete, delete it and download the full setup again. Next, remove all the old Adobe files, open your programs and features, and uninstall anything related to Adobe. Then go to the program files folder and clear leftover Adobe folders. If that doesn't work, then run the Adobe installer as administrator. But if you are still stuck, then turn off the antivirus and Windows security shields just during installation. And also make sure that your Visual C++ packages are installed as well. If not, install the latest version from your Microsoft. And the final trick is to install the app from a clean temp folder. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.